एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन फॉर द हॉस्पिटल एंड इट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर हॉस्पिटल एंड इट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज बायोअवेलेबिलिटी इज ऑप्शन ए रेट एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ ड्रग रीचेज इन किडनी, रेट एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ ड्रग रीचेज इन सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन, ऑप्शन सी रेट एंड एक्सटेंट रीचेज इन ब्रेन, option D rate and extent of drug excrete from the body. The correct answer for this question is option B rate and extent of drug reaches in systemic circulation. Next question, primary care hospital has following all facility except emergency department, basic diagnostic service, x-ray unit, disaster management team. The correct answer for this question is option D disaster management team. Question 3, Doppler ultrasound is used, option A to view image of bone, option B to view blood flow, option C to view gram negative microorganism, option D to view injuries of tissue. The correct answer for this question is option B to view blood flow. The next question, following branches comes under head of clinical service except option A medicine, option B radiology, option C pathology, and option D physiotherapy. The correct answer for this question is option D, that means physiotherapy. The next question, following facilities should be observed by head of pharmacy service except manufacturing, drug information services, medical legal services, therapeutic monitoring services. The correct answer for this question is option C medical legal services. The next question, credit service of hospital will be maintained by head clinical services, option B head administrative services, option C all of above, option D none of above. The correct answer for this question is B head administrative services. Following are the function of the administrator in hospital except option A he execute overall policies, rules, regulation in the hospital, option B he is responsible for smooth running of outpatient department, option C he prepares a budget for hospital, option D he forms executive committee. The correct answer for this question is option D he forms executive committee. The next question, who will be available for 24 hours service basis in hospital, option A residential medical staff, option B associate medical staff, option C consulting medical staff, option D honorary medical staff. The correct answer for this question is option A residential medical staff. Next question, who is part-time consulting staff in hospital, option A residential medical staff, option B associate medical staff, option C consulting medical staff, option D honorary medical staff. The correct answer for this question is option D, that is honorary medical staff. Next question, which are not function of hospital pharmacist, option A planning and preparation of menus both for patient and employees, supply of drug, medicine and allied product, option C storage and dispensing of narcotic and biological products, option D provide information to patient regarding risk and benefit related to medical and surgical treatments. The correct answer for this question is option A and D. The next question, which is not appropriate for the location of hospital pharmacy, it should be accessible to all clinics, option B it should be so deep in the interior of hospital, option C it should be on ground floor, option D it should be on top floor. The correct answer for this, that is B and D. B, that is it should be so deep in the interior of hospital, and option D it should be on the top floor. Then next question, a drug that is approved by the FDA for testing in humans but not approved for sale, that is known as investigational drug, option B spurious drug, option C allied drug, option D narcotic drugs. The correct answer for this question is option A investigational drugs. The next question, excessive pharmacological effect of anti-diabetic drug may develop blank in patient, option A hyperglycemia, hypotension, option C hypertension, option D hypoglycemia, option E all of above, option F none of above, option G option A and B and option H that is option C and D. देखिए कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है एक से ज्यादा ऑप्शन आंसर हो सकते हैं, तो ये केस में यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन सी एंड डी ऐसे भी कई बार क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है. सो ओवर हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन द करेक्ट आंसर दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज द हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is second pharmacological effect of antihistamine? Option A drowsiness, option B hypertension, option C anticonvulsant, option D anaphylaxia and option E that is none of above. The correct answer for this question that is option A, that is the drowsiness. The next question, hocomelia is abnormalities of arms, legs, ear or eye. The correct answer for this question that is option A and B, that means arms and legs. Then next question, hocomelia is due to the effect of aspirin, option B penicillin, option C rifampicin, option D barbiturates, option E guanidine, option F all of above and option G none of above. The correct answer for this question that is option G, that means none of above. The next question, following is the example of idiosyncratic reaction. Option A vaginal adenocarcinoma, option B tumor in kidney pelvis, option C uterine cancer, option D lymphoid tumor, option E all of above and option F none of above. The correct answer for this question that is option E all of above. The next question, anaphylaxis is observed due to allergic drug reaction of penicillin, option B sulfonamides, option C thalidomide or option D isoniazid. The correct answer for this question that is option A, that is penicillin. The next question, G6PD deficiency is condition in which white blood cell destruction observed, option B red blood cell breakdown observed, option C skin rashes observed, option D clotting of blood observed, option E none of above, option F all of above. The correct answer for this question is option B red blood cell breakdown observed in G6PD deficiency. The next question, sudden withdrawal of clonidine may cause option A vasculitis, option B epilepsy, option C leukopenia, option D hypertension. So correct answer over here that is answer D, that means hypertension. So these are the some of the MCQ question that is on a hospital and its organization. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and also subscribe my channel Pharma Planet